Genius throttle valves offer 3 different types of flappers. The round type excels in valve sealing, ensuring precise and rapid maintenance of the desired process pressure. This model can be produced with internal diameters ranging from 25 to 300 millimeters, aiding in the maintenance of process pressure accuracy. Customers have the option to select either integrated or separate types based on their requirements. In the integrated type, the valve and controller are consolidated, requiring minimal installation space and offering the advantage of space reduction within equipment. Conversely, the separate type allows users to directly input and physically adjust the desired settings via the controller from outside, facilitating real-time data monitoring through the display.